What's going on, guys? Today is the day. Crown Zenith is here. Just picked this up, fresh out the box, fresh out the case. Today we're gonna crack this a couple days early, see what we got in here, go through the set, go through the packs. Oh man, this is a set that everyone has been waiting for and I'm super excited for. But yeah, just looking at the ETB from the outside, this thing is so nice. Look at the colors. You got Lucario, you got the blue, the red, the gold, the crown stuff going on. This is wicked. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're at about 130 subscribers I think right now, and the subs keep going up. Everybody's been showing so much love, so many comments telling me how you guys love the videos. So yeah, our next goal is 500 subs, guys. Let's get there, please. You guys have been showing so much love. It's been amazing and I really appreciate it. So bringing back another video right now with the Crown Zenith opening for the first time. Let's check this player's guide. Check this out. Bunch of stuff in here showcasing the cards, what comes in the set, and then obviously, let's see. So we got some of the Leafeon, Charizard. We want that Radiant Charizard for sure. Galarian Gallery, I believe it's called. That Pikachu right there, we need to get that. All these guys, Mew over here. This Thievul is really cool too. And obviously we got like the Leafeon V-Star over here, Glaceon V-Star, Entei, Suicune. There's so many crazy cards. This Mewtwo V-Star. I want that Raikou. This is gonna be one big set for the ages, 100%. So we got our booster packs right here. And then let's check out the Lucario V-Star promo. This thing is pretty cool. See what else we got in here. We got the sleeves half open for some reason, and then code card. We got a bunch of energies here, and then the dividers as well, and then obviously we got the dice and markers and all that. Okay guys, our first Crown Zenith pack. Let's see what we can pull here. We're gonna do 4 from the back. These things are nice and cool, straight out the trunk of the car. A little crispy. Let's see. Great Ball, Bisharp, Grubbin, Screlp, Helioptile, don't know how to say that, Shinx. And there we go, guys. Our first Galarian Gallery, Keldo, Rainbow Aurora style. I don't know what's going on. And then nothing, just a Snorlax. Boom, there we go. First hit, guys. Let's do this. Crown Zenith is here. Crown Zenith is definitely here. I have a case of these, so we'll see how much will open up in the future. But for now, first day, first vibe. Just trying to see what it's like. Let's see, can we get anything else here? Oh, we got something here. Emolga and Irida. This is one of the best trainer supporter Galarian Gallery cards you can pull from the set, and that's amazing. That's a big hit right now. Let's check this out right here. Let's check this out. So 2 big hits so far from 2 packs, and this is why everyone loves and everyone is talking about Crown Zenith, because there's just so many hits that you can get in this. Let's see what else we can get here. And Shaman Reverse and a Kyogre. Nothing there. That one was a little disappointing, but every pack can't be to the moon. Every pack can't be too crazy. We will be pulling though, that's for sure, because that's what we do. We pull on this channel. Let's see. Ultra Ball, Oddish, Larvesta, and Yanmega. It's gonna be so tempting not to just like pop all the Crown Zenith I have in like one night. It's gonna be very tempting. I'm also waiting for my Pokemon Center version ones to show up. They should be showing up very soon. Let's see what else we can get here. Oh, we got a hit in the back. Let's see. Shinx. And our first Radiant Charjabug, sorry. Not bad. Radiant's just hit different. That's pretty cool. And Zorora V. Not bad. We'll take that. All right, let's get back into this. Let's go. Let's go. What else can we get here? Let's see. Come on, give us a big boy hit. We want a Suicune, Entei, Raikou. There's so many cards we want. And this is an Altaria, Galarian Gallery. And then nothing. All right. 4 packs left. Let's see what we can do here. I like how they made every single code card the exact same as this, so you don't know if there's like a hit or not in it. So that's why we're doing 4 from the back on every single pack, because there could be something in any of these, right? So let's see. Riolu reverse, nothing. 3 more packs, guys. Come on, give us that heat. We want that heat right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Gonna keep bringing the content, opening more Crown Zenith, Bisharp, and nothing there. We're trying to get to 500 subs, guys. Now that's the next goal. We're steady going up every single day, so keep the support up, guys. Much appreciated. And let's see if we can pull something in these last 2 packs. Let's see. Come on. Starly, Scyther, Pokeball. Just Pokeball. Pretty classic. Solrock and a Hatterene VMAX. I believe that might be a reprint as well from another set. Alright, last pack, guys. Can we get last pack magic, please? Just one nice big hit. Just like a nice... just to get the Crown Zenith run going. Come on, come on. Just to catch a vibe one time. Crushing Hammer, Rare Candy, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, Meowth, Wilmer, a Turtwig, Piece of the God Pack, Piece of the God Pack. Okay, we'll take that. And Aggron Hollow. Alright, let's do a recap of the pulls. Turtwig, Hatterene VMAX, Altaria, the Radiant Charjabug, Zorora, Irida, the big pull from this one, and Keldeo. Guys, appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Check out the other videos that I have posted up here in the top corners. And I will definitely catch you guys on the next one. Gonna be opening up more Crown Zenith within the next week or so. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. Keep opening up stuff and giving you guys the content. So appreciate it, guys, and take care. Catch you on the next one. Peace.